Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to my Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how can you save your layer styles. Now layer styles guys can help you achieve some great effects. For example, and actually I have made some tutorials also on creating some specific text effects. For example, I have shown how to create this grunge effect, this ice effect, and there are lots of the things guys that you can do. For example, this kind of like an odd, but I really like this effect. It's odd but good effect, this smoke screen effect, and lots of the things guys that you can do with layer styles. But guys, for creating or duplicating a specific layer style that you would have created takes a lot of time. So I'm going to teach you how can you save a particular layer style. Okay, alright, so say that I want to save this exact layer style. Okay, this really good this color overlay is there, and there's some noise, and I really like this layer style guys. I want to save it. So uh, go to the layer guys in which some layer styles have been applied. In my case it is a text layer. Do a double click guys on the FX icon and you will bring up this layer style dialog box. You need to go to the right hand part of the dialog box where it says new style. Click on it and you'll be given an option to name your layer style. Okay, now I'm going to call it gold. I think that's a simple but neat name. Okay, so say gold text. Okay, now if in your case guys, if you have any of the blending options, like for example if you're using gradient overlay or color overlay or inner shadow, inner glow, I would advise you to include the layer blending options. Click OK, and that's gonna be good. Click OK, and now you have saved your layer style. But how do you apply it onto another text layer? That's pretty easy. I have created a new document already guys. I'll take my text tool. I'm gonna type something real quick. TJ style, that's my name. I'm gonna center it right now guys. And people, in today's video I'm using the font Coalition. So if you wanna download it, it's a very it's a free font, people. You can just Google it and you'll be able to download it. Awesome. Click enter. And how can you apply layer style? Now there are two ways of doing it. One of the methods is just go to and you need to have this styles panel open for it. So if you don't see it, Windows and styles, and you can just straight away pick any layer style you want to. There are some default ones, okay guys, that are made by Photoshop, as in the engineers of Photoshop, and you can even select from them. Okay, that's really good. But we want to apply the layer style that we just now saved, and I'm going to show you that by the other method. Okay, the second way is to do a double click on the layer once again, not on the name guys, because that will just send it to the rename mode. Bring up this layer style dialog box. You can, and now guys, by default you will be sent to blending options default, this panel over here, this option over here. You don't want to go over here, you need to go to styles option, and you'll see that there are actually that there are the same layer styles, but right over here you can see that there is the gold text layer style that we just now saved, and you'll see that the layer style gets applied with all the blending modes that were applied to it guys. But frankly, when I am working and saving layer styles, I always like to change this option, meaning I don't like this option guys in which there are some small boxes. I really cannot see anything. I cannot read my my layer styles names. So you can go to this gear option or this gear button, click on it, and you can change it to large list. Now this is the option that I like to work with. It gives me a small preview of how the layer style is going to look. There are some default ones already created for you, so if you want to check them out, feel free guys. And then there is the layer style that I just now saved. There are some default ones guys that are created from Adobe Photoshop also, Adobe company. Click on this gear option and go to abstract styles, click OK. And right now, yeah, and this is actually a good thing that this dialog box came up. See guys, right now we have saved our gold text layer style, right? So Adobe Photoshop is asking us whether do you want to save them, because right now we are changing the set from default to abstract styles. So do you want to save the layer style that you have just now created, okay, as in the gold text? I'm going to do a yes, and it's going to ask me to save it as an ASL file. I'm going to choose my desktop. I'm going to change it to untitled cells, click save, and you can see that that the set gets changed from default to abstract styles. Click OK, and they are the abstract styles. Now if you want to add your own layer styles that you had saved onto your desktop, like me, what you can do is click on this gear option, click load styles, and it's going to ask you that where have you saved that ASL file. Go to desktop and you'll see we have an ASL file over here. Click load, and down guys, in the end you'll see we have the gold text saved, and awesome, and you can use it. So guys, there are some really good ones created by Adobe Photoshop company or Adobe company. Feel free to mess with them, and that's how you can work with layer styles, and that's how you can save layer styles in Adobe Photoshop. Please subscribe to this channel guys, like this video on YouTube, and please show me some support by liking my Facebook page. The link is gonna be in the description, and you can check out some tutorials that I have made guys for creating this ice effect, ice text effect, this grunge effect, and please like my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe guys. Thank you.